urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northwestern Stark County in northeastern Ohio, southern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Rittman, or 13 miles southeast of Medina, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Kenton, Massillon, Barberton, Greene, Wadsworth, North Kenton, Orville, Rittman, Doylestown, Hartville, New Franklin, Norton, Canal Fulton, Seville, Clinton, Marshallville, Myers Lake, Hills and Dales, and Greentown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Medina, Stark, Summit, and Wayne.
If I took over mowing that spot, since I see it a lot by my house, well, gosh, if it means so much to you, yeah, you can